Our company is a part of the confectionery production holding in Voronezh. Last year, we received an order to produce blister-packed cream for delivery to the city's cafe chain. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know well all the technological processes in the enterprise. I made the choice of new equipment to replace technically unsuitable one by myself, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There are a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In confectionery, production is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished products. In the plans of modernization was the purchase of a blister machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging of PVC film. The main impact on products is moisture. Thus, being in an individual cell blister, the cream will be maximally protected and also convenient for single portion. The blister machine we had was only suitable for filling honey. Since I have already chosen many different machines for our company, I have extensive experience in the selection and remain the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I began to telephone the manufacturers and find out whether they could produce a blister machine. I listed automatic operation, quality stainless steel equipment material, 2000 blister capacity per hour, and the ability to fill the cells with cream as my main criteria. At first I contacted a company from Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for packing cream in PVC blisters, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary, when a gelatin filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 machine suppliers on the internet. I looked at the firm's time in the equipment supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. I phoned all the companies to be sure of the professionalism of their managers. The specialist of one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired productivity of the machine, the planned dosage for packaging in blister, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consulting, he suggested a blister machine for packing cream, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the enterprise. The shape of the cells could be adjusted according to the customer's design. The machine is controlled through the LCD screen system. The machine has a material pulling system. When the aluminum foil is heated, cells are formed, then through a hopper with a cream distribution system into the cells. The aluminum foil covers the cells and is welded by heating. The finished blisters are cut in a press mold. The process is fully automated. The aluminum foil scraps are wound onto a roll. We got a single batch of cream in the form of a drop. I was satisfied with the blister creamer. In the future, I plan to contact the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment, which should be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin. I am confident that he will pick up my quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, expert advice will speed up the solution of the problem and free up time, which you can spend to your advantage.